Hi, this is Chronograph. I got another unboxing. Now this is a interesting one for me because this is my first Heuer watch. As you can see here, so it's a big box, square, cuboid. Let's see what is inside. Okay, so nicely sealed. What does it say here? Heuer Monaco Caliber 11 Racing Green Limited Edition. So what I got myself is it comes with its own traveling bag package. It is the Monaco. Note the interesting, look at the label. It's Monaco Heuer. There's no mention of the tag at all. So this has the classic, very vintage 9 o'clock crown, the two pushes at 2 and 4. Interestingly, this is actually made out of titanium. Anyway, I'll do a full review on this watch soon, so you can find it on my blog. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you can follow and perhaps give a like for this particular thing. So it helps the algorithm, distribute this video to more people. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.